Hi lads, welcome back to the show. We're down here at LZ World Tour in Mondello Park. We're going to get straight to it. We'll show you some of the incredible cars here on the show. So be sure to give us a like and a subscribe and leave a comment below. First session's just about to start. Heading over to see if we can get an advantage spot anymore. The burgers are making me absolutely starving. I'm dying for a pint.
Which is undergoing an engine swap in the pit as we speak. Below is this Adam LZ. Are we sure that that's Adam LZ and not Liam Duran after getting back in?
See Liam Duran stood right over there and he's got his little nervous face on, but look at that, absolutely incredible. And Adam LZ does some of those spinner wheelies, as Liam Duran likes to call them. And James Batten takes it around. Part of the show, and his good friend and sponsor. It's like Carl, so don't look, but don't have. Carry on to the before at the LZ World Tour. You know that this man normally drives the McLaren.
Yeah, I mean, this is just a Sunday car. This is just, a step down from the McLaren to a 360 bike. Normal car around here. No brakes. Only a couple of practice laps. He did not put a foot wrong. Managed to get himself into a top 8 in this crazy little BMW powered NBVR. These things are not easy to drive one bit, but he was
guys are getting treated. Mondello Park are getting absolutely treated. So
Right, so we have this panel, quarter panel of the Galanza here to give the dart. I can't even remember why we're giving this to you. It's actually, we gave this to you like 6 months ago, and I can't remember what we're giving it to you for. But congratulations, you are now the proud owner of the quarter panel from Lee's crashed Galanza. It's probably the best day of your life, I'd say. Yeah.
You're choking on
much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please do give us a like. If you're not already, why not give us a subscription? And if you want to see anything else or any more ideas, leave a comment below. Thank you.